All right, I'm gonna help you out and I'm gonna help you sound smarter in the process. So here are some anatomical pickup lines, and ladies, don't worry, I've got your responses too. So let's get into it. Fellas, are you my vagus nerve? Because every time I see you, my heart rate drops and I just calm down. Ladies, nah, I'm not your regulation system, but the fact that you calm down instead of get amped up lets me know that you might at least be safe, so I'll note that. Fellas, like, you hit different. Like, literally, my thalamus is routing everything through you right now and nothing else is even getting through. Ladies, the thalamus is a relay station, which means that you're thinking. You're not receiving. Come back when you've actually processed the data. Fellas, yeah, I think you just activated my reward circuitry because I don't even want anything else right now, and that has never happened to me inside of a grocery store. Ladies, dopamine is anticipation, not satisfaction. So don't confuse me with wanting me and knowing me. Those are two very different neurochemical events. Fellas, are you oxytocin? Because I just bonded to you and we haven't even touched. Ladies, oxytocin without touch means that your nervous system is already projecting. Slow down, buddy. Bonding is built, not felt all at once, so you're ahead of the data. Fellas, yo, my fascia literally just recognized itself when you walk by. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but that's exactly what happened. Ladies, the fascia holds emotional memory, so if it moves, something in you recognizes something in me. That's not attraction. That's way older than attraction, so pay attention to that. Fellas, I'm not nervous. That's just my sympathetic nervous system being dramatic because it doesn't know the difference between a threat and something that it really, really wants. Ladies, you know, the fact that you know that is actually more attractive than the line itself. Parasympathetic is where I live, so match that and we can talk. All right, so let's actually distill this down. Your body is not lying to you when you feel someone, like that flutter, that stillness, that sudden awareness of your own heartbeat. That is your literal nervous system doing a field assessment before your brain has even formed a sentence. The thalamus gates what even gets through, the vagus reads for safety, and the fascia stores every encounter that you've ever had before, and it compares it to this one in real time. Like, bro, you are a biological instrument running a full spectrum scan on another biological instrument every single time that you make contact with another human being. Chemistry is not a metaphor. Chemistry is literal. Neurochemistry, electrochemistry, field chemistry. Like, you're not falling for someone, you're in training to them. Learn to know the difference and you'll be ahead of the game. Welcome to the top of the spiral.